In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract JSON data with multiple items in n8n. We'll take a single JSON array and break it into individual items so each element can be processed or sent to tools like Google Sheets or Slack. This is perfect when your API returns a list and you want to handle each record one by one. Start by heading to your workflows area in n8n and open the workflow you want to work with. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search, look for split out, select it, and add it to your workflow. This node is designed to take an array and emit each element as its own item, which is exactly what we need. Next, connect your existing API or data trigger node directly to the splitout node. This could be an HTTP request node, a webhook, or any node producing JSON that contains a list. Make sure that upstream node is producing the data you expect because splitout will use whatever comes in. Now click the splitout node to open its settings. On the left, check the input data panel. You're looking for the array you want to extract, often named something like items, results, data, or a nested path such as data.results. Take a moment to expand the JSON and confirm exactly where the list lives and what it's called. In the field to split out box, type the exact key of that array. If your list is nested, use the full path with dot notation, for example, data.results. Spelling and capitalization must match the JSON keys exactly, otherwise the node won't find your list. Look over to the output panel on the right. You should now see that the single list has been broken into multiple items, one per array element. Each of these items can flow independently to the next nodes. If you don't see individual items, double-check the field name you entered and confirm that the input actually contains an array at that path. With the split working, add your destination node next, such as Google Sheets or Slack, and connect it directly after split out. Open the destination node's settings. You'll now map the data from the split out output into the fields the destination expects. Drag and drop the specific fields you need from the output panel straight into the node's fields. Map only what's necessary, like name, email, or message text, to keep things clean and reliable. That's it. Each array element will now move through your workflow as its own item, letting you create one row per record, one message per entry, or any other per item action you need. Save your changes and you're ready to run it end to end.